Alright, here is another Hampton Bay Huntington 2. I got this off of Craigslist along with a Verde Huntington 2. Uh, so this one is from December of 1998, so it's possibly one of the first Huntington 2s ever made. So as you already know, I already have a Huntington 2 in white. So this one is in Sandstone, which is, I think, a pretty rare finish because in the 1999 and 2000 Home Depot catalogs, almost every finish that the Huntington 2 came in was in there, like white, black, polished brass, antique brass, white and brass, verde, all except for sandstone. So, if I had to take a guess, these were probably sold for a very short amount of time. Or it was probably just a regional thing. But correct me if I'm wrong. The only other Hampton Bay fan that I know came in Sandstone was the Callaway 2, which is actually a childhood fan for me. Hi, this is Sam from the future. So what I forgot to mention is that the first generation Huntingtons came in Sandstone as well as the Callaway ones. That's it. That's all I have to say. Enjoy the rest of the video. And I know the Camera 2 Plus came in a finish similar to Sandstone called Antique Bisque. That's the one with the bull light kits, which I'm not that huge on. Another thing is when I got this in the Verde one, this had the bleached oak side facing down, and when I used the medium oak side, the blades would kind of stick up. So the blades that you see on here are actually from the Verde Huntington 2. So, yeah. Anyway, before I turn this fan on, I'm gonna give you a closer look at it. Alright, now that that's done, let's get to turning the fan on. There's the light. And here's low. This fan kind of makes a bit of a humming noise, but that's mostly on high that it makes that noise. But on medium and low, it's pretty quiet. Oh, and another thing that I should probably mention. So this one has kind of painted on sand grains, hence why it's called Sandstone, which I think is pretty cool. All right, here's medium. Yeah, as you can see, it wobbles really bad. Well, I mean, not as bad as my white Huntington 2 did, but yeah, it's actually not that bad. So I don't know why I said anything. All right, now here's high. I'm gonna hold on to the shade. Yeah, it's also kind of making a bit of a tapping noise. But I'm not sure if you can hear that. I mean, well, actually, it's kind of audible. So yeah, yeah. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but yeah. Okay, now it kind of went away. So oh, never mind, it's back. All right, now I'm gonna turn it off. All right, and there you have it. That is my Sandstone Huntington 2, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.